Hey guys, so it's a pretty windy day today. First actual, like we've had a lot of breezy days, but this is the first actual windy day we've had in a while. Oh, yep, there's a gust. Also, I've made a few changes to the wind chimes. I've decided to put all of my medium-sized signature style Woodstock chimes on the swing. See? And silver, green, silver, bronze. It's kind of like a. Actually, you know what? I think I got an even better pattern. Hang on. There we go. Now the pattern's a little more even. Silver, green, silver, bronze, silver, green. I like that. And you might be wondering what's in the Chimes of Jerusalem's place. Not Jerusalem. Rite of Spring and Chicago Blues place. It's those two. The festive 30-inch and the Woodstock white marble chime. And the festive 30-inch chime is quiet anyway, so I think we'll hear it a lot more up here because, as you guys know, there's a lot of wind up there where it's hanging. Although that is one problem, it smacks against that. So and of course, like always, the wind calms down. Hang on. There we go. Man, I gotta start taking these in during the winter months. Look at the rot. Is that one bent? Yeah, look at, it's like it goes down and, oh wait, it goes down and then back up again. You see that? Look in the wood. Yeah, the wood's like bent. Oh no. Yeah, I definitely should take these in. That one still looks good, obviously, because it's brand new. Yeah. Surprisingly, this one's older, and I think these two look worse, though. Or these three. And this is the worst of all, I think. Yeah, the whole hook's broke off. You can see I've put that thing in the middle. Oh my. That one's going nuts. And we're having our normal wind patterns today where it's coming from like, I'd want to say from the, judging by the trees, it's coming from over that way somewhere. Like, yeah, the flags are even going that way too, I think, yeah. Oh, and yeah, I almost forgot about this. I found out how to make the JW Stenard stay level. So, what I did is I screwed another thing in, and I stretched the string out as far as it could. And now it can't tilt like it used to that way. I know, you're probably saying, how does that make sense? It doesn't, but it works. And I'm glad I figured it out. I think what goes on is when it tilts, some of the string goes back inside this wood piece, and I think I tightened it so tight that like the string can't move anymore, if you know what I mean. Oh, there it goes. I think it also sounds better when it's straight. Yeah, it definitely resonates longer. The resonance of the sound is longer. I'm loving all these leaves, man. And I'm loving all this warm weather too. Hopefully, all the cold weather is gone forever, or for this year. Not really a gust coming that I see right now. Those are blowing a little bit. All right. Well, and in case you guys don't know, I'm going to be going live around 2, I think. Or it's either going to be around 2 or 3, because I want to do 2 o'clock, but there's someone I want to watch the stream is not going to be able to at 2. So that's why I'm thinking I might wait till 3. Just to give, you know, that person time. Oh, there's a gust. Oh, wow. Yeah, those two definitely make more noise up there. Oh, I see a gust coming. There's a gust. Woo! Yeah, we're definitely having the wind pattern where this half of the yard gets more the normal one. The Bells of Paradise and the Corinthian Bells are getting the most wind, and the Festive and the White Marble. The ones on that side are getting less today. Kind of calmed down now. Oh, I see a little gust coming. Well, there's a... This will be the last gust, and then I'll end the video. Woo! And of course, now I'm talking about ending the video, it's gonna go crazy. Typical. Oh, yep, there it goes. Alright, now I'll end the video. Bye.